In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to convert text to outlines in Adobe Illustrator. This is an essential skill if you're preparing files for print, sending artwork to clients, or sharing designs with someone who may not have your fonts installed. Converting text to outlines ensures your typography stays exactly as designed, without any font compatibility issues. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process, show you the keyboard shortcut, and explain when and why you should use this feature. If you find this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy Illustrator tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your Illustrator document and locate the text you want to convert. Make sure you finalized your wording before doing this, because once text is converted to outlines, it can no longer be edited as regular text. Now, go to the toolbar on the left side of your screen and select the Selection tool. The shortcut for this tool is the letter V on your keyboard. With the Selection tool active, click directly on the text element you want to outline. You'll see a bounding box appear around the text, confirming that it's selected. Once your text is selected, move to the top menu bar. Click on Type to open the drop-down menu. From the list of options, choose Create Outlines. As soon as you click this, Illustrator will convert your live text into vector shapes. What this means is that each letter is now a group of anchor points and paths, rather than editable font characters. If you look closely, you'll notice the text is no longer highlighted as editable type. Instead, it behaves like a regular vector object. Now let's talk about the faster way to do this using the keyboard shortcut. With your text selected using the Selection tool, simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus O on Windows. Instantly, your text will be converted into outlines without needing to open the top menu. If you're working quickly or handling multiple text elements, this shortcut can save you a lot of time. Just remember, always select the text first. If nothing is selected, the shortcut won't apply to anything. After converting to outlines, you can right-click the text and choose Ungroup if you want to edit individual letters separately. This is especially useful for custom typography designs, logo creation, or adjusting spacing manually. You can move, reshape, or modify anchor points using the Direct Selection tool to create unique lettering effects. Keep in mind though, once outlined, you cannot go back to editing the text content unless you undo the action immediately. So when should you convert text to outlines? The most common reason is when sending files to print shops or clients. If they don't have the exact font installed, Illustrator may substitute it with another font, completely changing your design. Outlining guarantees your design looks consistent everywhere. It's also helpful when exporting logos or final artwork that shouldn't rely on external font files. And that's it. That's how you convert text to outlines in Illustrator quickly and correctly. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical design guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.